Hello again. Today we're in Toulouse, or more accurately Blagnac in France, about to visit a very special museum. Or is this just a junkyard? This is Old Wings, a must-visit place for anyone interested in the history of aviation, or even as a unique and interesting holiday experience. We visited to attend the yearly Weekend at the Wings event, which this year was themed around aeronautical safety, so you'll see some fire and rescue vehicles on display today, as well as the aeroplanes. As it's a special event, an adult entry ticket costs €12 each, or around £10. However, if you visit on a non-festival day, it's usually €6. But it's well worth it, as it turned out to be the best museum we've visited in Toulouse, and a fantastic experience. Old Wings is a non-profit association dedicated to the preservation and restoration of aviation heritage. Founded way back in 1980, it focuses on saving historical aircraft from scrapping and maintaining them for educational and public display purposes. The group is run by volunteers, many of whom were on hand today to enthusiastically talk about each of the planes and give demonstrations. This brought additional depth to the visit, and they were all very happy to take the time to show you around the displays. A note here that some of them spoke little or no English, so at times it was tricky for us to understand, but this is a fault on us not knowing French, rather than them having to know English. However, that said, this didn't detract from the enjoyment of being shown around these historic aeroplanes. The group here has rescued over 100 flyable aircraft in its 40-plus years of operation. Their efforts contribute to the broader French aviation legacy, with many restored pieces now housed in the nearby Aeroscopia Museum. We have also visited that museum, plus went on a tour around the Airbus factory as well, as both are just next door to Old Wings. I have a video of that visit on this channel too, so check that out after this one. We had a fantastic time here and really enjoyed looking around and going inside the aircraft. In many of them you could also climb into the cockpit to give you a sense of what it would be like to fly these planes. We spent around 4 hours here, but would have gladly spent longer if we had the time. It was definitely one of the highlights of our trip to Toulouse, and I would highly recommend a visit to Old Wings. I hope you enjoy this video of our tour around this unique museum, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you find it useful. So I'll leave you now to enjoy the old planes and have a look around Old Wings in Toulouse.
Le soir, il y a d'abord la montée. Ah ouais. Il est plus dans l'eau, non? C'est celui qui est ouvert, le premier pour moi? Non, non, là, là. Ensuite, avec celui-là, celui-là. Ah, on oriente l'une par rapport à l'autre, c'est ça? Avec celui-là? Non, on oriente
Il est fabriqué entièrement en année sur une méthode qui s'appelle le lait. Vous savez que l'on considère en moyenne chaque millimètre on perd 6 ml. Donc même un avion comme ça qui va monter pas très vite, en l'espace de quart d'heure, 20 minutes, tu peux avoir 40-50 essence de bois différents. Vous allez choisir les bois.
Bouscule l'ordre des choses et l'aéronautique française est mise en sommeil.
Il y a eu le trou des années 40-45, où malheureusement toutes les activités ont été...
Oui, en fait, en école d'ingé. Pas de start mais 25. Ah, les hélicoptères. Hélicoptère.
À deux. Parce que c'est la mission la pire à faire, j'espère qu'on la fera jamais en réel, même si on est pas parfait. Oui. Ah oui. Non, là, à droite, t'as un manche, là. La main gauche. Non, là. Alors, attention à vous, je vais vous finir.